Here's the XE. Just put the spotties on. Chuck them on there. They are a bit bigger than the original ones. 245s on the front, and it just hits the upper ball joint. So I'm going to have to put a little bit of a spacer on the front there. 275s on the 7-inch rims on the back, which is perfect, I reckon. I just tore all this off this side because it's missing on the other side. So well, I'm going to try to paint it relatively quick. Just got the power steering working. It's the pump off my old XC Fairmont. It was a Cleveland, and it seems to all work alright. It's not making noise or anything, so it's pretty good considering it's sat around for about 15 years. And it runs great. Oh, it runs amazing. It's got fuel in the tank. Yeah, 212,000. So far so good. I got no back seat, so I'm gonna borrow one out of the Fairlane. So yeah, that's the XE 982 XE Fairmont Ghia.